ready to put.
Naweza nikauliza kama naweza kasaidia.
Nenda.
Watanipiga.
Wasichana kwa nini hiki? Kofi yako. Babu malu.
Ore vira kwa okay.
Who will eat the drumstick today? The one who will win. If we have 0 subscribers, it is me who will eat the drumstick. If we have 4 subscribers, Brandon will eat the drumstick. If we have one more subscriber, it is Lakisha who will eat the drumstick. What if all of us fail? If we all fail, then we will share. We will share this drumstick. Anyway, let's see. Hello guys. It's actually a game we are having with the children. We are road to 1,000 subscribers, and therefore the video we've just posted about house tour, we have bet that if we go online, then we have 4 subscribers, Brandon will eat the drumstick. And then if we go online and find 1 more subscriber, Lakisha will eat the drumstick. And for me, the mother, if we go online and find nobody has subscribed, I'm the one who will eat the drumstick. So Brandon is 4, Lakisha is 1, and me is 0. So whoever will win will eat the drumstick, guys. Let's see who will win. Today's chicken is very tasty, guys. It's tasty. Whoever will eat the drumstick, me, I will eat the buttock. The way I'm seeing things, I will eat the buttock of the hen. Anyway, I pray that I win. To put that chicken on the plate, or else the juice is finishing. Utamu kenaishamo. Aya. Iko tamu. Itakingi ive sana. It is juicy, guys. Ni tamu bana. Imekata. Has it refused? Oi. Jams are asleep, guys. Huh? Just go and keep it. Don't burn me. Bring me the broom I sweep. I wish I ate all of it. I'm already admiring those big mandasis and breads that were being served. La 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 la. I wish I ate all of them. They have looked here. Open. Now I'm going to tuna mrenda. Where are they? Yeah, Radha, can you show me Miranda? Can you see Miranda? You know Miranda? This one. I just want these ones. I love them. I just want Miranda, specifically Miranda. I love it. It tastes like okra. Okra.
This one.
I'm coming. Maybe I can put in some chimboka. These are chimboka. They blend very well. Hey, these ones were not planted. They just grew on themselves. They are like wild vegetables. And I love them. Oops. They grew by themselves. Something was just jumped. It's a frog. Ewe, unachuna minini ki unarusha hapa? Ewe,
Sukuma.
Wacha kuharibu mboga baba.
Iya.
Called Ripi. And then there is another one called Nyasukuta. Then we have cows that are called Melania. I will show you those cows. Milk, they are always milked. Here, my mother-in-law is still at the funeral. When she comes back, she will milk Melania and Jenny. Then she will give me the milk to give the baby. This baby of mine is not yet 6 months, but he eats a lot. So I supplement him with some cow milk. I add some water to dilute it, then I give to him. So I'm waiting upon my mother-in-law to come from the funeral, and then she milks the cows and give me the milk. I boil it and give to my baby. Hey, end it. Nguke naanguka. Kwa geti mmoja.
Ewe Ryan.
Bye for today, guys.